How to create collections on your Shopify store. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can create a collection on your Shopify store. So let's get started. Now, collections can be an easy way to categorize and organize your products not only for you, but for your customers to easily browse and navigate your website as well. So for this, you're going to go into products on the left, and once you go into products, you're going to add any of your products. I have added a lipstick, and I'm going to add a couple of different products over here. So I'm going to upload some media files for my products as well. I'm just going to go on ahead, add a eyeshadow palette, and this is going to be mini eyeshadow. And I'm just going to give it some price like this, and then just click on save. And I'm just creating a couple of different types of products so you guys can actually see how collections are going to be displayed. And then I'm going to add one other product as well, which is just going to be let's say it's going to be a lip gloss like this. And then once I've done that, we can proceed with building two different collections. The reason why we're going to be building two collections is because these two products fall under the category of lips, while this product falls under the category of eyeshadow. So for that reason, we're going to be building two distinctive collections. Collections are different than categories because categories cannot be filtered out on Shopify, whereas collections can be, and you can display different collections differently. So you're going to click on collections on the left. Once you do that, click on create collection. Once you do that, you're going to enter the type of category or collection you have. So I'm going to call this lips, and then I'm going to choose the collection type to be manual. One thing I do recommend is that you make a smart collection. You can add the condition that a tag is added, and the tag could simply be lips. Now, once I do that, I would click on save. And I'm going to add an image to this collection as well on the right, so it's easier for us to, view this collection as a lip product collection. Now, whenever a product is tagged with the item of lips, it's automatically going to be added into the collection. So the way to do this is to simply go into your products, and you guys can see bulk editing as well. So you can select multiple items and then click on bulk edit. And after that, if you scroll ahead, you would be able to see product category and then collections as well. And if you can't see it, you can click on columns and you can just search for collection or simply search for the tags. Now, once I do that, I'm just going to add the tag of lips to both of these products that are in the lips section and then click on save. And then I'm going to go back. Once I go into collections, you guys will see this is my particular collection. And because I've tagged both of these things under lips, it's going to add these to the lips collection. Now, the easier way to do this if you already have added your products is to make the sorting manual. So you can manually add products into a collection. So for that, if you want to do the manual method, you can just click on create collection. This is going to be eyes. And I'm going to click on manual, click on save. Once I do that, I'm going to go on ahead and search for the product. So I can just browse the product, then select it, then click on add. And just like that, the product has been updated. Now, this particular collection has one product and this one has two. However, because in the future I don't want to have to manually come back and add everything, I do prefer automated collections for that reason. Now, once you've built your collections or categorizations, you have to update your Shopify navigation so your customers can actually use these. For that, just go into Online Store. Once you go into your online store over here, you're going to click on Navigation right under Online Store. Then you will see your main menu. So you can click on your main menu over here and then click on Add Menu Item. Then click on Link and then choose your collections. So I'm going to add eyes and then I'm going to click on Add Menu Item. Then after that, I'm going to go again into collections and then go into lips. Then click on save. Now eyes and lips have been added to my navigation menu. However, this can be a bit annoying for us to, display. So I like to add another menu item called collections or just product types. and then I just like to link my all collections page here. Now I'm going to move this up. Once I've moved this up, I'm going to hold these two collections or categorizations, and I'm going to move it towards the right. When you do that, these two things become sub-pages of this larger page. Then you click on Save. Once you do that, if you open up your online store, it might take a couple of seconds for the changes to take effect, but this is what it's going to look like. People can click on eyes under product types, and they would be led to everything tagged under eyes. If they click on lips, they would be led to everything tagged under lips. And if they go into catalog, it displays all of your Shopify store products. So this is how simple and easy it is, and you can make a lot more of a customized appearance as well. So if you want further sub-collections or categorizations, let's say under lips, I want to have under eyes, I want to have two different types, which is going to be eyeshadows and mascaras. I'm going to click on add product, and I'm going to add a new product as well. For this, let's say this is going to be a mascara, which I do not have any images for mascara, so I'm just going to go with a random image. I'm just going to take this one here, and this is going to be our mascara. Then we're going to go ahead, add the price of the item, the quantity we have, and then just click on Save. Now I'm going to go into collections, click on create collections. This is going to be called a mascara. And then I'm going to manually add our product to save some time right now, because I don't want to, spend all my time. Then I'm going to go back, go into the eyes collection, and then add the mascara to the eyes collection as well. Then I'm going to create a separate collection for the eyeshadow, like this. And then I'm going to go into browse and select the eyeshadow and then click on save. Now, once we've done that, if I go on ahead to go into online store, go into my navigation, go into my main menu, under product types, I'm going to add menu item, eyeshadow, and just go into link, go into collections, select eyeshadow. Then I'm going to add another link, which is going to be mascara. Then I'm going to move it under eyes. I'm going to move it on the left. So it's going to be a sub page again. And then I'm going to move eyeshadows over there as well. Save both of these and then click on save on the top. Now if I open up my online store and I open up this menu, you guys can see I have two sub collections, and I can click on either eyeshadow or I can either click on mascara, and those products are going to be divided into those two subcategorizations. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.